let's say 2,000 a month, 2,000 a month CFO engagements, 2,000 a month CFO engagements. That means we need 50 clients, okay? We need 50 clients. Now the next question I have is how many clients can I onboard a month? There's nobody in here that's doing monthly recurring accounting that should be onboarding less than 1 client a week, or at least have the capacity to do 1 client a week. So if you can do 1 client a week, that means you can get 4 clients per month. 4 clients per month, which means to get to 50 clients, it should take you 13 months. 13 months, right? So if you can organize yourself, to get to get 4 clients every single month, that's just 1 client a week, right? And to get that number, right? To get that over a 13-month period, I'm going to break out another piece here. And I'm going to actually look at, okay, I want to get 4 clients in the month. And you might be saying, this is basic. But at the beginning of this webinar, could you specifically tell me how many meetings you needed with potential clients, and did you have them this week? Did you have them last week? Do you already have them on the calendar for next week? So even if it's basic, yeah, it is basic, guys. Getting good sleep, getting good exercise, and actually eating good food will keep you healthy. This is America. I see a lot of people that aren't doing that. A lot of people aren't doing that. It's basic, but that's how you actually get stuff, right? If I think about the business, yeah, you got to have sales, you got to have marketing, you got to have a great service and great value that you're providing to the clients. But still, people mess this stuff up. So just because it's basic, the basics is where I focus is just getting better and better and better at the basics. Oh, there's a new app that came out. I don't care about that crap. What are the basic fundamentals of the business? So if I want to get 4 clients a month, let's say I'm closing deals at 20% of the people that I talk to. So to get 4 clients a month and I'm closing at 20%, what is that? That's 20, is that right? 5 times 4, that's 20 consultations a month. 20 consults a month, 20 consultations per month with potential clients, right? Which means I'm going to be doing, divided by 4 weeks in a month, I'm going to be doing about 5 consultations a week, right? So 1 a day. If I can do 1 meeting with a potential client every single day of the week on average, then I can do 100,000 a month inside of a year. And I've helped tons of people do this. And you might be thinking, oh, that's not possible. I can tell you, today, if I only had 1 meeting today, I would be panicking. Our business, we do 40, 50, 60 meetings a day. So even if you got 1 a day or 2 a day, or let's say 3 a day, any of those numbers are totally possible. Now, there's a couple of key things in here when we're talking about sales. This number right here, key number. Can you actually charge $2,000 a month? Do you know how to do that? And when you're charging $2,000 a month, are you working the whole darn month on site? You're working on site, you're working a full-time job, $2,000 a month, or is this a good client where you're only working 4 hours a month, right? So how do you sell a high-quality deal? We're gonna talk a little bit about that. And then the other key number a month right here is consultations. So we're not gonna go over a ton of marketing today, but I do wanna do one thing with you guys real quickly, because people say, well, Andrew, that's the thing. You gotta get the consultations. Okay, we gotta get the consultations, yes. Today we're mostly gonna talk about how you can sell $2,000 a month, but every single person on here needs to go through this process and do the freaking math. Put your goal out, reverse engineer exactly what you need to do, and then you need to focus on talking to these many people every single week and selling higher quality deals, which mostly what we're going to talk about today is selling higher quality deals, but I'm going to give you guys a little nugget. I'm going to get everybody some consultations right now.